anything.
I would probably say, out of all the other accommodations, I would say this is probably the least sociable in terms of there's not many events that they put on and things like that. And it's a very small reception area, so there's not much room to go and meet other people from the accommodation.
So like the common room, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so you think it's small. Anything else small, bad or downsides of living down at Dorchester?
Not really. I mean, I think it's good. I think it's decent for the money. It's clean. Yeah, I think it's alright, to be honest.
Now, what are the ups about Dorchester?
The ups, definitely the location is the best
Expand.
thing. Well, it's directly opposite Asda, the bus stop, the train station, the coach station, walking distance to the clubs, the beach. So it's perfect really for the location.
For location, okay.
Yeah.
And what's like in the area, and what's like around Dorchester? As you said, the Asda, is there like anything else that's good access to? Or is that pretty much, so you've got access to Asda, the co-op obviously across the road, the train station, the beach, and the club. So it's good. So everything around the area is pretty. You kind of got everything you need in the area.
Yeah, I would say so.
Any more ups, like about the rooms, maybe?
I mean, personally, I like my room because it's just a lot bigger than the other rooms. I would say if you're going to book a room at Dorchester, definitely book the room that's closest to the front door.
Oh yeah, because you've got the biggest room.
Because it's double the size of any other room in the flat. So book whatever room.
It's closest to the door.
Yeah, so 7 or 6 or 5 or whatever. Always bigger.